In a city under siege, a colossal python awakens, wreaking havoc as chaos ensues.
Isn't the movie scene above realistic, thrilling, and impactful? Can you believe it was created by AI? Today, I'll teach you how to make a new AI movie that looks like a real one, with a strong style. We'll use very simple methods. Many channels create AI shorts and earn thousands after uploading. You can make one too, just watch this video, and I'll explain everything clearly. We'll cover script writing, generating free images, and making free AI videos. Plus, we'll use a new AI video creation tool that will amaze you. Every part of this video is crucial, so please pay close attention and follow along step by step. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. It's your ticket into the world of AI movie making. Step 1. Script writing. First, open ChatGPT and input this prompt. I want to create a movie featuring a giant python, just like we see in big action films. The python should look terrifying. Don't worry, I'll put the complete prompt in the YouTube description below for easy access. Next, enter this line: give me 10 image prompts for this story. Each scene should include the giant snake. ChatGPT will generate 10 great prompts for you, just like in a real movie. You can review the results and modify them if they don't meet your expectations. Step 2. Text to image. We'll use Dreamvid for image generation. It's a free AI video generator that can create movie-quality AI videos. Let me show you how to do it. Let's open Dreamvid. It has many fun and completely free features for you to explore, like AI kissing and hugging. But the core functionality I want to highlight today is text to now. Let's focus on the core function, generating images with Dreamvid. It can create high-definition, watermark-free images that you can use freely. I'll demonstrate its image generation capabilities, proving its free and unlimited features. This is the interface for Dreamvid's text-to-image feature. Next, we need to generate images using prompts. We'll copy the movie scene instructions we just created and paste them into the text-to-image function. Choose the universal style, select your desired image size, and specify the number of images to generate. Then click Generate. Look at the quality of these images. The images generated by Dreamvid are incredibly high quality and look like scenes from a real movie. Dreamvid stands out from other tools because of its realistic textures, dramatic lighting, and cinematic composition. Whether you're brainstorming movie ideas or just want stunning visuals, this AI image generator is an excellent choice. I highly recommend you try it out. Now, you can see that all generated images look like they belong in a movie. Step 3. Image to video. Next, let's try generating AI videos for free with Dreamvid. Use the Image to Video function to see how the Dreamvid AI platform performs. Upload an image and input prompts. For example, the snake devours a tank amidst a scene of destruction and smoke. The video will begin generating immediately. Then, I'll upload the next image and input this prompt. Helicopters are firing. The snake rises into the air, breathing fire. Look at the scene. They are rich in detail and visually stunning, perfect for storytelling, concept design, or creative projects. Next, I will put the prompt: the python was attacked the people. People were so scared. And just like that, I've created multiple cinematic AI videos using just Dreamvid. Now, I can download all the videos, and you'll see how amazing and realistic they look. Step 4. Creating audio and videos. For audio production, I'll use 2 websites. The first is 11 Labs. Just paste your text here, and it will generate the voice for you. However, note that this service isn't free. So, I prefer using TTS, which is a great alternative. It's completely free and can generate high-quality AI narration. Here's how I do it. I paste the prompts into the tool. I use a voice called Tom, one of the best and most natural sounding voices. Input the code. Then click Generate Voice and the AI voice will be ready for use. Next, I open CapCut, select all the videos I've created, and make some adjustments, like scaling and adding watermarks. You can see I'm organizing the videos step by step. In CapCut, you can also add animation effects. It offers many options with great results. You can add smooth transitions, cinematic filters, and dynamic effects to enhance the quality of the final video. This is how the complete video is made. Let me show you the complete video.
In a city under siege, a colossal python awakens, wreaking havoc as chaos ensues. The military mobilizes, deploying tanks and helicopters to combat the monstrous beast fighting day and night. To minimize losses, the army eventually lured the snake to the desert, where they concentrated all their firepower on the tanks to defeat it.
Okay. That's all for today's video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. If you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends. See you next time.